Guys, Realtek HD audio manager missing after Windows 10 update. So how to fix, guys? So guys, firstly you go Windows update, click to setting and setting Windows update and do your update full, because any KB user has pending, to click to install and download and install. Okay, and then minimize. Now guys, you open File Explorer and this place is to right click, more options, manage. So driver management, so audio. So guys, you can right click, uninstall. Okay, then again scan and then restart your system. 100% your solve problems. Okay.